So we're at the Stockman's Steakhouse in Pahrump, Nevada. Brian is having chicken tortilla soup. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's very good. It's delicious.
Yum. And I'm having their lobster bisque, and it's so incredibly dark in here you can't see anything. But it normally comes with chives on it, but I told him no chives. And it's really good, really creamy, and it's good sweet flavor.
It's fantastic.
And this is a loaded baked potato, but it has broccoli in it. And I know he's not going to eat that.
Nobody puts broccoli.
It says nobody puts broccoli on a potato.
Yeah, clearly they got this wrong.
And I got the appetizer crab cakes. I figured it'd be one little crab cake, but it's 3 little crab cakes. That's pretty cool. On a beautifully made plate. And I believe these are edible flowers. I've seen these before. And remember, it's very dark in here, much darker than it looks on camera. And then I got some sauteed squash, which has some broccoli that Brian snuck in there. Cut it open and see what it looks like inside. So it's got a lot of bread to meat ratio. Let's try it. It's definitely got a lot of breading in it, and it's extremely salty, but at the same time, it's tasty. The squash is delicious. It has red peppers in it. I'm not really as much into red peppers, so I'll give that to Brian and see what he thinks. Brian's trying the red pepper.
Yeah, it's done really well.
I don't usually like black pepper, and it's like a spicy black pepper in there, but it tastes really good on the vegetables. Brian gave me a piece of his shrimp to try. I love shrimp. It's good. It's a little tough, but in a good way. Got a little chew to it, but it's delicious. What'd you say about the sausage?
The sausage in here is fantastic.
Really?
It's a really good dish. You can definitely taste it really well.
All right, so Brian's let me try the chicken, and Brian said that he likes the chicken in the pasta dish. Let's give that a try. I'm not as much a fan of it as he was. So here's the Italian sausage. I actually don't care for the sausage, but Brian likes it, and that's all that matters. Let's try some of his loaded potato. How do you like your loaded potato?
Potato's good.
Ooh, that sausage was spicy.
It was good though.
Yeah, a little chewy, a little dry.
No, not at all.
Do you like it?
Yeah, you can't go wrong with a
No, you can't.
baked loaded potato.
It's a good, real baked potato. Doesn't look like it's microwave. What do you think of the crab cake?
Crab cake was good. I'm not a big crab cake person, but you can definitely tell it's real crab. It's good.
So this is what I'm trying to show is it is very bready, but you can see the crab in there. It has good crab flavor, it's just a lot of bread. So although the crab cakes were a bit of a letdown, the sauteed veggies are so good. Almost like there's an au jus sauce, like they use steak sauce to season it with. Let me show you. Almost like an au jus. So it made the vegetables amazing. It's a really nice place. Again, it's a lot darker than it looks. But out there is the casino. We're not here for the casino, we're just here to have dinner here. And if you look back a few weeks ago, we had dinner with some friends that we met here in Pahrump, Nevada, and they came and ate with us, so go look for that video. The good news is they have Andy's candies. Yum-o. In between the meals and fun, Brian had a lot more to do around the house. Now it's time to make my first official dinner at the new house. I'm going to make some roasted turkey tenderloins. And this is my cast of characters. I'm going to rub it with mayonnaise because it helps the seasoning stick really good and it moistens the meat. I like to use my toaster oven more than the big oven because I don't need that much space to cook this. This house comes with an electric oven, but I'd like to get a gas oven soon. I'm going to make a little sauce to put over top of it. I often add a little bit of water to thin it out, and I should have thinned it out. It was a little bit thick, but here we go. Chicken and turkey should be about 165. I like to have a little bit less because it keeps cooking, but this was a little bit higher, but it turned out perfect. And you want to let it rest just a few minutes before you cut it. How do you like it?
It's great for our first home-cooked meal.
Yay!
Yay!
This is Jackpot Joni's at Irene's Corner Cafe. And Brian is going to have their spaghetti and homemade meatballs. All right, give it a try.
That's good.
Real good? I'm going to try a bite. The meatball was excellent and it had sausage in it. So Brian loves the meatballs. Let's see how he likes the noodles. If they're tender, are they chewy, are they just right?
Yeah, they're a little soft, a little flavorless actually.
Really? Wow.
I think I'm used to your spaghetti though.
Yay, good answer.
Yeah.
On Fridays, they have a fried fish dinner made with cod, so I gave it a try. It was juicy, but a little bit chewy. It had very little breading, which is really good, very meaty, but it didn't have much flavor. So I tried it with the tartar sauce. It was very spicy and tart, so I went with the ranch dressing for dipping. So the french fries are good. I got a light seasoning